Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate Group, powered by eXp. This is Kevin Belzer, and we are in Litchfield Park today. Kevin, where exactly are we at?
We are at 19,355 West Whitton Avenue in Litchfield Park.
All right, before heading inside this beautiful house, Kevin, what did you want to share first?
Location, 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 and the history of Litchfield Park.
All right, let's talk about the history of Litchfield Park. Kevin, let's start in 1916?
Yep, 1916. We had an exec from Goodyear come out here, Paul Weeks Litchfield, and so the town is named after Litchfield.
Interesting. Now, why was Goodyear wanting to come all the way out here? Because again, Arizona wasn't that big at the time.
Yeah, as an executive for Goodyear, what Paul was looking for is he was looking for land that could grow long, stable cotton. The reason they needed that is there was problems with the crop on the East Coast. So what they do? Wagons east or wagons west.
Wild, wild west.
Yeah.
And when we fast forward to the 1960s, this land isn't really worth a ton at that point.
It's not. They were selling it for like 25 bucks an acre.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really ridiculous. Goodyear Tire Company had these grand plans that they're going to make this city of 90,000 people. Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, as you can imagine, being a tire company, they didn't really know how to develop land.
They knew how to get people there.
Yeah, they did. They knew how to drive them there, but that's about it. So it didn't work out too well.
Right.
So now you come to today, and you have 6,500 people living in Litchfield Park. It's a nice, quiet, small area, convenient to everything.
Love it. And then last but not least, since we are talking about the location, it's obviously growing like you had mentioned. This is pretty close to the highway itself.
Yeah, you're 2 miles off the I-10. You're within 5-10 minutes of all your shopping. If you want to go to CCV, the church is right up here. If you want to go to Burger King, it's 1 mile away. It's weird how they put those stores in the middle of nowhere, but hey, it works out.
Right.
And then Dollar General right down the street as well.
Perfect. Welcome to the inside of the property. Kevin, let's talk specs.
Single level, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and about 2,200 square feet.
Great. And one of the cool things about the property is that it originally started around 1,700 square foot.
Correct. They had an addition put on which added a bedroom and another like office or open living room type area, and it was all permitted.
Great. All right, we are finally here in the backyard. Kevin, this is pretty big.
It is, and what's the hardest thing to find on any home here in Arizona? Land. So we have 1.25 acres on this one.
Great. Now, as far as within the 1.25 acres, what are some of the big ticket items there?
Well, one big ticket is that this is rectangle shaped, so it's all really usable. 2, you've got the RV hookup, so if you got an RV, perfect for that. Another one that we were talking about earlier is that you could actually, if you're a truck driver or something, you could drive completely around the home, which to me is a big deal. You do have septic already in the back, so it's a separate septic system. So if you want to put in like a workshop or another garage, it's already set up for it.
A lot of potential, and then obviously right now, land is at a premium, so that is a huge deal. Now, as far as setting up a showing, Kevin, what's the easiest way to do that?
Well, we make it super simple. 480-305-6655, or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you have questions about buying or selling, let us know. And until next time, have a great day.